Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Value Hunter coming back. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody, and Thanksgiving Day weekend, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, everything that you guys are experiencing and going through. I got a little mail call here from my good buddy Lakehousebeach, and I know what's in here. He did a little pouring recently, and so I had to hit him up and have a piece of what he's been up to. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so Lakehousebeach, he started pouring recently, silver, and really cool stuff that he was doing right out of the gate. And I said Lakehousebeach, bro, I gotta have some of that. Tell me, you know, what you're doing, what you want for it. You want to trade or do you want cash? And so he hit me up, let me know, and I can't wait to get into this and see. I've actually seen this poured. He poured on video this bar, and I told him I'm really into Kit Kats lately. I didn't really have any, and I bought one and decided that I wanted to start adding some Kit Kats to my stack. I think having a cool variety from some of the channels that I frequent, some of the guys that have poured for me before, would be really cool, and especially for a new pour, it'd be a neat thing to have. So you can see what he did here. He poured 009. He did this on video, and I'll post a link up here of the video where he poured this bar. But this is a certificate of authenticity. It's a Kit Kat, 1.4 ounces of 999 fine. It's 009. And then it says custom hand poured bullion, Lakehousebeach. Awesome logo, bro. I dig it. And then he gave me a magnet, which I'm super stoked on. I've got his stickers, some of them. I think he's got a few different variations, but I have at least one, and one style, original style for sure. And then this looks like collecting coins, stacking metals, YouTube and Instagram. This will be really cool for my safe, cool safe magnet. And let's see what this says. Hey, bro. Thanks for picking up one of my early pours. LOL, seriously, I really do appreciate your support, broski. You're a bro, LHB. So we've got this thing going back and forth where we got the bro dictionary going. So bromato juice, no problem, man. I'm really happy to pick this up and glad I could support you. So I'm into it, man. I got the good end of this deal. This thing has character. The money will get spent. This thing will stay in my stack forever. So I appreciate it, dude. Wow, look at that. Man, you're doing epic work, like right out of the gate, Lakehousebeach. Look at that. Pour lines on this thing are ridiculous. It's like an upside down teardrop right here. Look at that. Right in the middle. And then it's got just really, I don't know how you get your ripples that deep, dude. That is crazy. And it's kind of capped off. It's like loaf style almost at the top. That's really neat, dude. And then there's striations on here. You guys can see that stratification in the side of the bar. Just really neat. And a little character from the mold on the side, the little lines from the graphite. This thing is dope, man. I dig it. And then on the back side, it says 1.4 OZT 009. Very cool. Very cool. I dig it, man. It is a really cool bar with a whole heck of a lot of character. I got to give my boy Lakehousebeach a further shout out, guys, because one of the other things that he did for me recently was create this slap, as they call it on Instagram, or sticker here on YouTube. But he designed this for me. Lakehousebeach pimped my sticker, dude. I love it. And I just got a stack of these in off of the work that he did on graphic design on these. And I'm going to have to get one in the mail to you, Lakehousebeach. I really appreciate it, dude. They came out awesome. For those of you who want a sticker trade, hit me up. Look at that. Super cool. And thanks again for the bar, dude. I absolutely love it. And anyway, Muhammad Ali, have a good one. Until next time, this is Value Hunter. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I'm signing out.